Sometimes when you came across some extraordinary MOC on the internet, do you have an impression that how come this MOC can be so nice and attractive? What's the magic hidden in this MOC which gives you such an impactful impression? Well, more than often, it is just because of this simple technique. Okay, so what's that? Well, and that is offsetting. This is what I'm going to share with you in this video. And if you can master this technique, there's a very high possibility you may be able to design some extraordinary MOC as well. Of course, only relying on this technique is not enough. You have to equip yourself with other advanced building techniques as well. Hi, I'm Meng-Yu. I've started my LEGO MOC journey since 2014 and I'm a big fan of LEGO City, mostly collecting city-related themes like modular streets and some other creator sets. I always love to challenge myself and try out different kinds of themes. LEGO offsetting building techniques are an exciting way to break free from the standard grid system and add intricate details, smoother curves, and unique texture to your creations. In traditional LEGO buildings, bricks are stacked or connected with their studs aligning perfectly. Offsetting disrupts this grid by intentionally shifting elements in small increments, typically in units of half a stud or a full stud. What I observe is that when a design or a feature in a MOC build, if it's off the grid, it tends to give a new dynamic to the build. It's like someone breaking the rules and making him more stand out than the other. So why offsetting could be a big deal? Because it can create some interesting possibilities. First, curve and angles. By offsetting in multiple directions, you can build smooth curves, rounded corners, and even spheres that wouldn't be possible with regular stud-on-stud connections. Second, recessed details or so-called off-the-grid details. Offset elements can create the illusions of depth and textures like window sills, ledges, or recessed panels. Next, tapering and slopes. Gradual offsets from layer to layer allow more realistic tapering in walls, towers, or any structure that naturally narrows towards the top. In general, there are a few well-known types of LEGO offsets. If you like this kind of LEGO MOC technique content, please hit the like button so that YouTube will know you like this type of content and will feed you more relevant to this in the future. Of course, this can also let me know that you love this kind of content and continue to produce more of this. Okay, so number one, half stud offset. This is the most common and versatile technique achieved using various elements like jumper plates. These thin plates have studs on both sides, allowing you to attach bricks half a stud off the standard grid. 2. Offset bricks. Certain bricks like the 1x2 plate with center stud or the 2x2 corner tiles have built-in half stud offset. 3. Through some unique technique method like clutching powers or bar building can also achieve half stud offset by utilizing the small gaps between the studs. 4. Full stud offset. Shifting elements by a full stud is simpler, but it may limit some rooms for fine-tuning. It can be done by using longer bricks or plates to bridge the gap between layers. After all, you may wonder how you can benefit from this offsetting technique. Well, there are 3 benefits which you can benefit from after using it in your own MOC. First, increased realism and detail. Offset technique allows you to build models that more closely resemble real-world objects with their curves, textures, and natural shapes. Second, creative freedom. Breaking free from the grid opens up a world of possibility for unique and intricate designs. 3. Technical challenge and satisfactions. Mastering offset technique can be challenging but also incredibly rewarding. It also adding a new layer of depth to your LEGO building skills. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't be afraid to experiment and try different offsetting methods to see what works best for your creations. Just like what the official LEGO designer did, and you may want to watch this video and see how they did it.